Nere malaken yam kana zyada kone barwai ne baka linka Nuer online TV channel. Biya kamal lara ye loy test kata dana la yin rwanyal yang gwasa mekeje. Ane pual point ke en lere ban linga jan gwasa me roja chala rewich ka South Sudan gwase Shiraila Odinga kwarkel micha jakre wich ka Kenya William Ruto mala kwarkinya en wo jinwere wich ka Juba ka biya yene kirma yadit ka werba biya nyogo rajbo yene Dr. Riek Machar ajana gorno de nywaga yakele na me katin konte chodian lat ki ngum mi twok baje nywaga yakel ka kore biya jode nude me Michal ka Odinga biya jore biya jelin ka manana chalat kane yuweri kwer Uganda ano kajiendere wecha ka South Sudan ke ka Juba kan kono nyamre ler kana me mi jiram jidit kan Nuer online TV channel naga jeno jin de subscribe ke de notification bell de je twain ko de ler ti de kan chomala chup ke gwasa dana pai kala rech ban ler me ban je chulin ka do badana che to ka pan me Shiraila Odinga bere wech ka Juba ko ben right ke kirma yadit ke kwimalka kana do badana cha yen Dr. Riek Machar teny ka gwade dane ci karwache chicken ben ka agreement ko men chitwo gore jen wode jari aleka ke de ron kine dangra yul badak male cha tanga jen ron mo de jelos ci karwache kene kirma yadit ka kore me ci ka togo che kirma yadit che jogo no de ne je kone Dr. Riek Machar an gwasa mo ci kirma yadit che rela Odinga che je peno de ke je kene Dr. Riek Machar jen Dr. Riek Machar cha je bugul ka jen gwasa me ko jen tere ti jen ka kuje mo chana goro no bi ajek bulo jok ko chana goro en go bi ajek yen Dr. Riek Machar angwado mo shuda me chalo jok kalude jok kalude ka Nairobi kan je goro no be je ngo ka Kenya che ngo ka Uganda jen me je chop ka Uganda mo cho kudi were Museveni ala kwer Uganda eno jen gwada danen cho goro no bi writing ko de ka je kana Dr. Riek Machar an gwado mo che kwer la yuwer Museveni che jogo no terek bi awjek alon tama anyu de gwano en kwer South Sudan tam yuweri ke Museveni mala kwer Uganda ko jaram dan wa permission wa yete je ko de na je ke Dr. Riek Machar ko jen che je lukto talen wo de ram me kwer cha je William Ruto wo de ke je ken Dr. Riek Machar ko do bana chalat ke je comment cha gor gwase me President Kiir refused to allow Raila Odinga to meet Dr. Riek Machar until he received a permission from Uganda President Museveni la Museveni menyo de gwano mi janam dan wa permission wa yete ke jeno banaji ke Dr. Riek Machar nyo de gwano yuwere ku ga Museveni janam dan la kuer dung South Sudan chana jome chan jemiling be men chalat Raila Odinga men cha jaka William Ruto chana linkel kamandana chalat gwatame
to Juba, South Sudan, as an envoy of IGAD. President Ruto had spoken to President Museveni of Uganda, Prime Minister Abiy of Ethiopia, and President Omar Gele of Djibouti. This is because of the deteriorating security situation in South Sudan. So I went to Juba and at a meeting with the President Salva Kiir of the South Sudan in its office. You know that recently the first Vice President, Riek Machar, has been put under house arrest. Him and his wife and a number of other people. This is what concerned the leadership in the region. The situation in South Sudan is explosive and can explode any time. So I had a lengthy discussion with President Kiir, who told me about challenges they're facing, that there was a killing of a general and about 10 other people in the town of Nasir in the Upper Nile, and this is what they are actually investigating. And because of this, he said that Vice President Dr. Riek Machar had been placed under house arrest as they continue with their investigations. From Juba, I asked to be allowed to talk to Dr. Machar but they were not able to allow me to see him. Instead, they recommended that I meet with President Museveni. So from Juba, I went to Entebbe. I had a meeting with President Museveni. I reported to him what I had found in South Sudan. And after lengthy discussions, he said he was going to get in touch with President Kiir. So we agreed that I would go back to Juba later. So I've come back here, and I just want to say that it is a work in progress. I'm going to make a report to President Ruto and Prime Minister Abiy and President Gele of my findings in South Sudan. The situation requires international attention. I'm happy with the UN for getting engaged in what is going on in South Sudan. I think it is a situation that warrants intervention by international community. Thank you.
Gwa chigarwa je shalingo gwa same jarwa jadanan cha jek la riala odinga che goro no de ke jegalon kana Dr. Riek Machar che kire jogono ne jin kono wona ka Museveni bi kono ra yene je bu kulo lunjok dawi gwa same jene chwa jien chwa wona ka Entebbe gwa dan to Museveni tin ki Uganda jene shune ro chu Museveni chwa kulo jogono wir bi awra yene Dr. Riek Machar munyu de gwa no antama kirma yadi che jana mdanen mala kuore wich ka so Sudan ka jen gwa same ram ro wije teme Museveni Ramadan en nek which South Sudan Museveni ki Ramadan en cook South Sudan control ga jen gwasame Museveni mekan Museveni kan je kolar tela domi binaji ka je ke Dr. Riek Machar ko en Juba de kolar teme ne ko na shi kaf ka ji Uganda e bere shi mo Ramadan le kirma yadida ana me agenda na gore de nyoga yekel en bar nyoga je kala radian ko te kala ngwan goro de ke nyoga liang ani biata gamal chuje paro nyo en wo bi nyoga nas ko ken ko chuje paro jeno jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell bi to ko biladi tv kan to mala chubkiji biata gamal bye bye.